Hello students. So in this video I am going to explain you the addition of integers. So this is very important in integer. So you must learn the addition because the addition of integers we are going to use for the fractions or the rational numbers. So you should be very perfect in addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of integers. So let us start. So let a and b are two integers. So we will take in general example. So suppose a and b are any two integers. So maybe positive or the negative. Suppose there are four possibilities. So here it is plus a and this is plus a. Suppose both the integers are positive, then you have to add them. And somewhere I wrote here subtract them because in integers we will have positive and negative. So depending on the sign of integers, we have to decide whether we have to add or subtract them. So addition is given, sum is given means always it is not necessary that you have to add only. So you can see here both are having same sign, both are positive, then you have to add them. So add them. Next, suppose both are negative, it means that both are having same sign, then also you have to add. So from these two examples you can see that if integers having the both integers having the same sign, you have to add them. Next, suppose one is negative, one is positive, then you have to subtract them. One is positive and second one is negative, then also you have to subtract. But now you have to think about the sign, which sign we have to give to the answer. So very easy it is, give the sign of greater digit to the answer. So whatever answer you are getting, you are adding, you are getting some answer, subtracting, you are getting some answer. To that answer you have to give the sign of greater digit. Suppose a is greater, then that sign you have to give to the answer. Suppose b is greater, that sign, whatever sign that digit has, that you have to give to the answer. So let us take examples. So here we will have examples 2 plus 3. So we have to add them. So this is the sign of addition and they don't have the sign means what? We have to consider they are positive. So here it is matching with first possibility. Both are having same sign, both are positive, then add them. So 2 plus 3 is 5 and give the sign of greater digit. So which is greater? 2 and 3. Actually we will give the same sign, but for all the four you remember only one rule. That is sign of greater digit you have to give. So 3 is greater, its sign is plus. So in case of plus, if you don't write the sign, then also it's okay. Next, minus 10, you are going to add in minus 6. So here it is matching with second possibility. That is what, both are having the same sign, both are negative, then also you have to add them. So remember, same sign, then you have to add them. Different sign, then you have to subtract them. And you have to give the sign of greater digit. So you have to add them. So 10 plus 6 is 16. Ignore the sign and add them. Now you have to give the sign of greater digit. So ignore the negative sign, or you can say that you have to give the sign of absolute value, greater absolute value. So this is absolute value means what? By ignoring the sign you have to consider this 10 and here 6. So 10 is greater, so its sign is negative. So put them negative sign. So one I'll take here negative plus you are adding in that positive integer. Let us take 7. So both are having different sign, isn't it? One is minus, one is plus. Then you have to subtract them. 7 minus 5 is 2 and give the sign of greater digit. So among 7 and 5, which is greater? 7. And its sign is plus. So give the plus sign. If you don't give plus sign, then also okay. One is positive and another is negative. So one is positive, one is negative, different sign they have. So you have to subtract them. So 10 minus 8 is 2. And now you have to give the sign to the answer. So which is greater here? 10 or 8? That is 10. So we have to give the sign, that is plus. So we'll take some more examples here. So here 17 plus 17 and we are, let us take minus 22. So we are doing addition of integers. So remember, one is positive, one is negative. One is positive and one is negative, then we have to subtract them. So 22 minus 17 is 5 and you have to give the sign of greater digit. So which is greater among 17 and 22? 22 is greater, so that sign you have to give. So summary you can remember. So instead of remembering these all things, you can see if both are having same sign, we are adding here, isn't it? 2 plus 3, 5, 10 and 6, we wrote 16. And we given the sign of greater digit, that is digit of sign of 3, that is plus, then sign of 10, that is minus. And here these are having the different signs, so we have subtracted these all things, isn't it? And we are given the sign of greater digit. So like this you can remember the addition of integers. Now we will take some examples where we have the more than 2 integers. Let us take minus 3 plus 7 plus minus 2. So when we have the 3 numbers, naturally natural numbers, what we'll do? We will pair the 2 numbers, any 2 numbers, and that answer we will add with the third. So same here you have to do. You can take any 2 integers. So I would like to take these 2 integers and I will operate these 2 integers. So one is minus, one is plus. This plus minus 2 we have to keep as it is. We are not added this. So one is minus, one is plus. Different sign, so we have to subtract. 7 minus 3 is 5. Sign of greater digit, that is 7. So no need to write here plus. Now these 2 integers remain. So one is plus, its sign is not given, means plus it is, because sign of 7 we are given. So one is plus, one is minus, so we have to subtract. 5 minus 2 is 3, greater digit, that is 5, its sign is plus. So let us take one more example. So you can keep this first integer as it is if you want, and you can operate these 2. Plus, still we are not added. The answer of these 2 we will add to the minus 10. So both are having same sign, so we will add 8 and sign of greater digit, that is minus. Now we remain with 2 integers. So both are having same sign, minus, so we have to add them. 10 plus 8 is 18. Give the sign of greater digit, that is minus.